Have you ever wondered how ants bite? Ants, like many other insects, use their mandibles, jaws, to bite. However, when ants bite humans, it's often not the mandibles that cause the sensation. Instead, it's the ant's ability to inject formic acid or other irritating substances into the wound that causes the pain or discomfort. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process behind ant bites and why they can be so painful. Ants, like many other insects, have specialized ways of defending themselves and securing food. It all starts with their keen sense of detection. Ants can detect the presence of potential prey or threats through sensory organs called antennae. When an ant detects a stimulus that triggers its predatory or defensive instincts, it may approach the target. Using their antennae, ants can detect potential threats or food sources. When they encounter something of interest, they'll often approach it with caution. Ants primarily use their mandibles, or jaws, to bite. But what makes an ant bite so painful isn't just the pressure of their mandibles. It's what they inject into the wound. When an ant feels threatened or encounters a food source, it will typically use its mandibles to grasp onto the object or organism. Ants have strong mandibles designed for various tasks, including cutting and carrying food, digging, and defense. While some ants primarily rely on their mandibles for defense, others have evolved additional defensive mechanisms. Many species of ants possess venom glands and stingers. However, in the case of ants that lack stingers, such as fire ants, they compensate by injecting formic acid into the wound through a modified stinger-like structure called a hypodermic needle-like appendage. Many species of ants possess venom glands and stingers, but even those without stingers have a potent defense mechanism. When an ant bites, it may also inject a small amount of formic acid into the wound. Formic acid is a colorless, irritating liquid that serves multiple purposes. It causes pain or discomfort to the victim, deterring them from further disturbing the ant or its colony. Plus, it may have antimicrobial properties, helping to prevent infection in the wound. Formic acid is a colorless, irritating liquid with a pungent odor, which is produced by ants and other insects. When an ant bites, it may also simultaneously inject a small amount of formic acid into the wound. This acid serves multiple purposes. It causes pain or discomfort to the victim, deterring them from further disturbing the ant or its colony. Upon being bitten by an ant, the victim typically experiences a sharp, stinging sensation at the site of the bite. The severity of the reaction can vary depending on factors such as the species of ant, the individual's sensitivity to the ant's venom or formic acid, and the location of the bite. It may also have antimicrobial properties, helping to prevent infection in the wound caused by the ant bite. After biting, the ant may retreat to safety or continue to defend its territory or colony. Meanwhile, the victim may experience localized swelling, redness, itching, or a burning sensation at the site of the bite. In some cases, particularly with certain species of ants or individuals with allergies, more severe reactions such as anaphylaxis may occur, necessitating medical attention. Upon being bitten by an ant, the victim typically experiences a sharp, stinging sensation at the site of the bite. The severity of the reaction can vary depending on factors such as the species of ant, the individual's sensitivity, and the location of the bite. Ants bite by using their mandibles to grasp onto their target and may inject formic acid or other irritating substances into the wound to cause pain, discomfort, and deter further disturbance. Next time you encounter an ant, remember the fascinating process behind their bites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. And goodbye.